So hello everyone, welcome to the channel InfoAnil. So in this video, we are going to learn the most important string operations in Java language. So if you are preparing for the TCS exam, for the Infosys exam, for the Google, Amazon and any other competitive programming, then you should know these basic operations. So let's see what are these operations. The first one is find the length of the string. The second one is how we can convert the string to a character array. And the third one is convert string to the lowercase, and the fourth convert string to the uppercase, and the fifth one is remove string space from the string. So we will know how we can do all these operations in Java language and also without import any library. So let's start. My class name is string function and this is the public method. So let me just declare a variable as 2 and I will assign value. This is string operation. So this is the value that I assigned to my variable as, which is a string type. So first operation that we will perform is length of the string. Here the length that we will get will come in an integer part, so I will declare int length, which is equals to s. This is the variable s dot length. So basically this function length will give me the length of the string s, this is the string. Okay, so let's check this. So basically this will give me the output. So let's check, save this and run this program. So length of the string is 24, so that the length of this string is 24 we are getting. Now the next operation is convert the string to the character array. So how we can convert? So we will declare a variable character type character C, which will store the s dot to char array. So only this function to char array will convert the string s that is above to the character array, and the value will be stored in C variable. So let's check this. So this function will basically convert the string to character array, and we will later see how we can get the values by applying the for loop and for each loop. So the third function is to convert the string to the lowercase. So for this you need to declare a variable string lower, which is equals to s dot to lowercase. So just one line function you have to use in order to convert your string to the lowercase. So let's take the output. So this will give us the output. Let's run the code. So here you can see, okay, let's run again. So this string that we are getting in the lowercase, all the characters are in lowercase. You can see this is the string operation, and initially we have T in uppercase, S in uppercase, O in uppercase, but here we are getting all the characters in lowercase. So the next function is convert the string to uppercase. So just declare a variable upper, which will equal to s dot to uppercase. So this single line function will convert all of your characters in the string into uppercase. This will give us the output. Let's run the code. So here we are getting in lowercase, and this is the uppercase string. All the characters of the string are in uppercase, you can see, by just a single line. Now the next function is to how we can remove the spaces from the string. Remove space. So here we will use string remove space, which will equals to s dot. So we will use the s dot replace function. So this is basically take two arguments. The first is the old character, so this error. So I have to replace this space to none. So this line will remove all the spaces from the string. Like okay, we have completed the function. So let's see what will the output. Run this code. Okay, so this is the string without space in between. Like we have in the original string, there's a space here, there's a space here, there's a space here, but in this string we are not getting a space. So this function will be used to remove the space. Now let's see how we can see the output of the character array. So we will use for each loop. For char c in. So in order to see the output of the character array, we will use the for each loop. So let's run the code. So here these are the five basic operations that we have used: length of the string, the lowercase and the uppercase, and after remove the space from the string, and this is the character array. Okay, so this is the code for all these operations you should know. So that's all for this video, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel for later update and tips. Thank you.